17th lesson.
What time is your train?
At 8:30.
What time is your train?
At 8:30.
Well, hurry up. It's 8:15 already. Well, hurry up. It's 8:15 already.
All right. Keep calm.
But, David, you're late.
All right. Keep calm.
But, David, you're late.
Don't shout. I can hear you. Don't shout. I can hear you. Where are my shoes?
Here, with your briefcase.
Where are my shoes?
Here, with your briefcase.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ah, at last.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ah, at last.
What time is it now?
It's 8:20.
What time is it now?
It's 8:20.
Right, I'm off. Bye-bye, love.
Goodbye.
Right, I'm off. Bye-bye, love.
Goodbye.